That's our score so far, ladies and gentlemen. A 5-point lead for San Sebastian here in set number 3. And of course, entitled one set apiece. Noel Zarate alongside Mosi Ravena and Maan Panganiban. Oh, Philippine left her eye off the ball. Again, Ateneo is falling into all sorts of problems in terms of their offense.
String of errors actually coming from Ateneo. Now it's a 6-point lead for the Lady Stags.
Here's Hervasio trying to get one back. Pepito, nice reach. They go to Benito right now. Turned back by Hervasio. Nicely done.
Totally turned back. As Ateneo now with only 5 points down.
5 points down. Axel is the official spinner of the Shakey's Billy. Valdez.
Let's see if they can string up some points here.
Ford. Oh, nice block by Gretchen Horn. She's so happy with herself right now.
Why won't you?
Pero, hindi naman. Nagkabungguan pa doon si Eliza at sa Ascendant. But it's Jill Gustillo who actually gets the point there.
Now Lauren Ford at the back row serve. Something na kailangan i-take advantage na Ateneo.
Ford with a good serve. Ferreira, the quick set to Gretchen.
And they do. Instantly takes point.
Now,
quick hit.
With this lineup in front,
ito yung chance Ateneo to string up some points.
Vulnerable nila eh. Ito yung pinaka-vulnerable na San Sebastian. Kainglet and Hoa in front. Don't they wish they had Valdez there with them?
It's into the net.
Hervasio stays with the jump serve. It doesn't work. So 19-13. 6-point lead for San Sebastian.
Benito on the line, remember. Series of aces in that second set.
No such thing here. Kainglet immediately ends her service range. Mary Jane Pepito could not get to the ball in time. That's nice to see her back, really.
That's true.
Ay, yung mga breath of fresh air.
I mean, to go back to this level.
After you gave birth.
And they've stopped for years,
Right.
Hindi man lang months.
Alam mo, yung iba dyan, may mga natural talent talaga. I mean, Mary Jane Pepito, after she has given birth, she took some time off, but now she's back, and it looks like she hasn't missed any time at all. Ganun din na makikita natin sa UAAP when Lucette Dawis comes back into the lineup for UE. After she herself also gave birth recently.
So she was in the lineup
Last year, that's true. Oh, dump ball there coming from Doria. Here's Kainglet. And it's off someone's hands.
And smart move there by Phil Kainglet. You knew she wanted to use Ruby De Leon when she went for the angle.
So again, Kainglet finding ways to score and try to keep Ateneo close here in set number 3. Here's De Leon. They go to Boli. Then back by Patnongon.
Ariel Patnongon getting, better timing on the block.
Right.
Diba? Ito si Ariel Patnongon, especially in this game.
But it also helps.
Really improving.
It also helps that you're 6 feet tall, actually.
Pero diba, a lot of improvement. And we're seeing Ariel Patnongon, especially on the blocking support. But Boli going down the line.
Sabi ni Lazaro, kanina may tao sa likod ko. Nawala.
Parang nananakit na to
Ford is back in front now.
Bad news, Ford back.
Right. 21-16. Runner here coming from Patnongon, dug up by Doria, that goes over. And Valdez mishit that second ball. Here's
Zheng Boli.
She will not miss-hit many of those.
Yes, and she likes that set. Yung parang hinahabol.
Janet Doria serving once again.
Nice sharp serve.
And they go to Valdez. Cannot get it across.
Lauren.
You get a sense that they're not yet done, actually. Ito po muna ng Ateneo.
Yep.
They're still going to make something close out of this, but it all depends on their reception. And Janet Doria who served through the first 4 points of this set.
And how they will be able to address Bowley and Ford in front
Right.
for San Sebastian.
When there's a will, there's a way. If they can do that, then they'll probably make a lot of noise in the UAAP. Tanda natin that they're playing without a guest
Yes.
player, only one actually, Ariel Patnongan. Set up now for Bowley. Off the track. Pero tried to save Kainglet that time, but Kainglet sends the ball to her face. So if it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's 8 set points for the Lady Stags.
Ano, pag libero ka, kasama talaga yan. Ano yan? Hazards of the
Right.
trade.
Here's Valdez. Nice dig by Bowley. Ford gives up a free ball. Ferrer. Up there by Lauren Ford. And wouldn't it be so fitting that Lauren Ford also shut them down defensively. 25-16 San Sebastian in set number 3. As we take a look at our shaky shake in play. Nowhere else to go when Lauren Ford is in front of you. Fourth set when we return.